If you've read the new informed consent document, you'll know that I have requested that all communication, all telehealth sessions, everything is going to go through my client portal. To access the portal, you can go to my website, livebetteraustin.com, and there's a client portal button at the top. Once you click on that client portal, it's going to take you to a login page. I'm already logged in. I really recommend saving the therapy portal either in a note on your phone for easy access, or you can add it to your home screen if you have an iPhone. I'm not sure if you can do that for Android, but highly recommend. If you're not super familiar with the portal, or maybe you haven't logged in since you first did your paperwork, this is the screen once you've logged in. My logo will be there so you know it's my portal. If there's anything that you need to do or take care of, it'll be under this needs your attention box. Any upcoming appointments that you have will be listed down at the bottom. You're not able to manage your appointments here, so there's no canceling or anything like that. But you are able to access your telehealth sessions here as well if you have one scheduled. You can hit join session, it'll take you to the portal page. Other important stuff includes this document tab at the top. Anything that's requested from me will show up here. And if you ever need to add your credit card, there's always going to be this payment authorization form down at the bottom. Client records just includes any kind of shared documentation that we've signed. You'll be able to find that there, super bills, anything that I've sent you. The billing tab will show if you have a balance to pay, which this should never be the case because I will be charging all cards the night before sessions moving forward. And you can find receipts here as well if you need to see what your past charges are. The other important tab up here is messages. This is where all of our communication will be, which is why it's so important for you to bookmark this portal link. No more texts, no more emails. When you go to the messaging tab, if there's any out of office messaging or anything like that, I'm going to have it here in this updated information. This is kind of the generic one that'll be there right now. If you want to write a new message, click new. This administrative billing clinical is really not that important. You can always, just leave it as is. You can choose a topic. Actually, I think maybe clinical has more options. Yeah, I need to change that. But for now, choose your topic, tell me what it is, start the message, send it, easy peasy. You'll get a notification in your email when I respond to these messages, so it should be pretty straightforward. This is where you can manage your settings if you need to change your passwords, if you need to change the type of appointment reminders that you get. For those of you who are interested in text message appointment reminders, you need to let me know that. And I will get that set up for you. There is a small charge on my end, but I don't mind setting that up if it's needed. All right, let me know if you have any questions.